Mountain Dew. But her old man Katie came from Tipperary in the pioneering year of 42. Her old man, he was shot in Tombstone City for the making of the Irish Mountain Dew. Wake up and pay attention, Katie Daly. I am the judge that's gonna sentence you. And all the boys in Cardiff drink your whiskey. And to tell the truth, dear Katie, I drank some too. So up to jail they took poor Katie Daly. But very soon the gates they opened wide. An angel came for poor old Katie Daly and took her far across the Great Divide. So come down the mountain, Katie Daly. Come down from the mountain, Katie Dew. Oh, can't you hear us calling, Katie Daly? We want to drink your Irish Mountain Dew. Well, at the Golden Gates there stood poor Katie Daly. St. Peter said, good brewers, they are few. So step inside the Golden Gates, good Katie, and start to brew your heavenly Mountain Dew. Oh, come down the mountain, Katie Daly. Come down from the mountain, Katie Dew. Oh, can't you hear us calling, Katie Daly? We want to drink your Irish Mountain Dew. Ah, come down the mountain, Katie Daly. Come down from the mountain, Katie Dew. She'll never more be coming down the mountain. We never more will drink her Mountain Dew.
As I stand alone on Reha Hill, I watch the sun go down on the green fields of Kilballyone and my homestead in Newtown. The Shannon and the ocean wide are a joy beyond compare. You'll bless the day you took a trip for the heart of old West Clare. You can take the wild Atlantic way and make your dreams come true, where 100,000 welcomes will be waiting there for you. As you're passing through my Asta, stop and view the old West Clare, where Mrs. White's still waiting for that parcel, I declare. Through Lisdene, Kilkeel and Quern then Donaha comes inside. Carrigaholt and Glasheen Bay are the wanderer's delight. You can take the wild Atlantic way and make your dreams come true, where 100,000 welcomes will be waiting there for you. Peaceful cross and bridges of Ross and dolphins flying high, where many strangers find a home and never say goodbye. The little lark in morning church outside Kilbath fair, a sad reminder of the tyrants back in penal days.